So good morning, everyone. So today we are headed to Mac's first dog show. Oh my gosh. So this should be a crazy adventure to be sure. He shows at 1 o'clock this afternoon. We brought him there yesterday and I was going to shoot a video. However, the weather was not exactly cooperative yesterday. It was horrible. I mean, horrible. There was torrential downpours and muddy puddles and all that kind of stuff. And this is an outdoor show, which is great. However, it's like, let's see, what's the temperature outside? 47 degrees. So it's going to be a little bit nippy today. So I will keep you informed along our little journey here. We're headed to the Lawrenceville or Gwinnett County Fairgrounds, which we're all set up in a little pen area. Oh my God. Anyway, kind of wish it was inside just because it's a little bit not quite so cold, but I guess you got to do what you got to do, right? All right. Well, we'll see you when we get there. So here we are, Mac's first time in the ring, and he's doing a nice job of moving around the ring. It's really pretty. Did pretty good. Whoop. Slight little slip going up on the table to get examined. Oh Lordy. We are having a good time sitting. Oh goodness. So all this behavior is trained, because typically when I have taught Mac to go up on a table, I've taught him to sit and get rubbed on his belly. So he thinks he's supposed to go up on that table and get rubbed on his belly by that judge. I guess we have to reteach Mac what he's supposed to be doing. Anyway, for his first time in the ring though, he was a COVID puppy, which means that he never got an opportunity to go to a dog show, really. He has been at home socializing with friends and neighbors and stuff like that, and never got the opportunity to go to a dog show really to see what he's supposed to do. He's doing a really good job here. Down and back is really pretty. He has some nice reach and drive with his movement. He's a pretty dog. Anyway, if we could just get him under control, he's like a little stallion. So here we go back in for breed. So he won a ribbon out of his class. So he was winner's dog. So now we have to go back in and take something in this. So the first dog that's on the table is the breed dog. She's a female, and we're gonna watch her get examined. Now the judge, once he sees her teeth, he'll go over her to make sure that her body is in good condition. And you know, when you lay hands on a dog, you get a lot more information than just by their physical appearance when you're looking at them, which is nice. So anyway, we'll see what happens. And here we go around the ring.
Very chill. I was not taking my jacket off. And I couldn't take my boots off. I tried and I went, oh no. Oh no.
So here we go. The front one is going to be the best of breed dog. The back one's going to be best of opposite sex, best of winners, and we got nothing because our behavior was awful. All right, on to the next show.
It's early in the